This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The direction indicators, brake and side lights are all wing mounted. Open the tailgate, remove and lower the access flaps, and then unscrew the plastic fixing nuts. Pull the lamp from the rear wing enough to disconnect the wiring plug. Release the bulb holder from the lamp by opening the retaining clips. Remove the bulb by depressing it slightly and then rotating it anti-clockwise. Fit the new bulb and secure it by rotating it clockwise. Refit the bulb holder into the lamp, press it firmly in place and allow the retaining clips to latch completely. Offer the lamp into position at the wing and reconnect the wiring plug. Refit the lamp into the wing, carefully feeding the mounting studs through the holes in the body. Screw on the plastic fixing nut securely. Refit the access flaps.